Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download MP3 songs using Chrome. Please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. While this is the step-by-step guide related to this. First, open the Chrome on your mobile. When you open the Chrome on your mobile, then you will see the search bar. In the search bar type Pixabay. This is the website which I use to download the music on my mobile. Go to Pixabay official website. Here in the down, you will see the options. Here you will see the option of music. Click on music. When you click on music, you will see the music. Basically, this is the royalty free music to download. Select the music as per your needs. Like I select this music. And here you will see the option of download. Simply click on download here. When you click on download, the MP3 song is downloaded on your mobile. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.